Magandang araw mga kaibigan. I-share ko sa inyo ang bangayan, mainit na bangayan ng dalawang senador, Cynthia Villar and Tulfo, na to a point nagkahamunan sila magpa-lie detector test kung sino ang nagsisinungaling. Okay, pakinggan natin ano ang pinag-awayan.
Madam, negosyante po kayo, Madam Sponsor.
But it
Would
doesn't
you do that?
solve the legal problem of
I'm not
masonry.
talking about Madam Sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
For a businessman, everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessman maybe. Yung mga tusong businessman maybe.
Hindi.
Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagin yung Masungi. Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinungaling. DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo? Lie detector test.
Where?
Weh.
Test para malaman kung
Weh.
Pwede bang paki-identify po?
Okay. Ang bangayan ng dalawang senador tungkol sa Masungi Geo Reserve. Isa pong napakagandang conservation area ito sa May Rizal, 2,600 hectares na matagal nang pinapangalagaan ng Masungi Foundation. Ito pong conservation area na ito is nanganganib na masisira nang dahil sa mga illegal logging at illegal quarrying sa area. I think last year ba yun even Hollywood celebrities nakialam na, nanawagan na sa Pangulong Marcos Jr. na pangalagaan ang Masungi Geo Reserve dahil wala na, nilalapastangan na. So ito ngayon, itong pinag-awayan ng dalawang senador, si Villar, sponsor ng dinner budget, si Tulfo ang nag-interpolate. Merong event ang DNR, tapos may ipinakitang picture si Rafi Tulfo kasama sa event ng DNR doon ang dalawang tao na may kasalanan o na-cancel ang permit nila nag-illegal quarrying sa loob ng Masungi Geo Reserve. Kaya ang tanong ni Senator Tulfo, bakit nandyan yan na silang sumisira sa ating Geo Reserve? Bakit pinayagan ng DNR? Yon ang bangayan. Okay, ito. Patuloy
Madam
natin.
Sponsor, kung sino po yung dalawa sa picture na binilugan.
Yan, yung picture.
This was an event in Rizal.
A new lactosate feminine wash cool sensation with natural menthol essence that gives you instant cooling and keeps you fresh through the day.
Si Governor Inales. They are stakeholders operating in Rizal, and they were invited by the governor of Rizal to do
To do what?
discuss a joint project with all the stakeholders.
Joint
of
project.
Rizal. Yes.
Can the good sponsor tell us exactly who these two people are, their names, and then who they represent,
They are.
and what are the kind of business that they do, that they own?
Yan na.
They cannot recognize the other one, but the one is a quarry operator.
Illegal quarry.
And the other one is?
They do not know him.
Okay, well, I'll identify the second one, Estelle Marie Rebancos, an officer of Montalban Aggregates Producers Association.
So, quarry operator also.
Exactly. In 2022, DNR ordered the suspension of the quarrying permits of the large-scale companies allegedly encroaching on the Masungi Geo Reserve in Rizal, including the Rapid City Realty and Development Corporation, Kim Song Limestone Incorporated, and Quarry Rock Group Incorporated, owned by Angelita Lee, who happens to be in the picture.
Yan.
Sinuspindi po ng DNR ang quarrying permit ng mga nito, and yet, inibitahan sila dyan sa project transport. So out of delicadeza, bakit po sila nandyan? Bakit sila naimbitahan?
As I mentioned, they were invited by the government.
Wala, medyo
of Rizal
palusot
to
itong
be,
si Villar eh. I-forward ko na lang, ha?
Of, in Rizal.
Now, sasabihin ko kung reason kung bakit.
Oh, yan. Ito na si Tolpo.
DNR is set to cancel the contract of Masungi Georeserve Foundation Incorporated over Marikina Watershed. They might have the right to do so.
Ito na yung issue. Yung Masungi Georeserve Foundation, matagal nang nakakontrata sa gobyerno para i-manage o i-protect ang area. At napaka-successful po itong foundation na ito. Marami pong international award na natanggap ng Masungi Georeserve Foundation dahil napakaganda ang kanilang ginagawa. Ngayon, sabi ni Senator Tulfo, ang DNR malapit nang i-cancel yung kontrata ng foundation over Marikina Water Corporation, something like that. Anong dahilan? Sabi ni Tulfo, legally, ang DNR pwede magawa niya yun, but morally, it's wrong. Ano ba yan? May pabor-pabor? Yung foundation na gumagawa ng mabuti, bakit mo i-terminate ang contract niya na wala naman siyang kasalanan? Kaya nga ulitin ko, pati ang mga Hollywood celebrities, nabasa ko sa news last year, nanawagan na sa Pilipinas. So, ano ba talaga ang ating gobyerno? Ang Pangulong Marcos, dinadahilan niya ang climate change na sanhi ng mga pagbaha, mga bagyo, climate change. Dapat labanan ng climate change. Anong klaseng paglaban mo sa climate change na ang foundation na ang dami ng award na natanggap sa United Nations from international bodies, ika-cancel ang contract? So, hindi ko maintindihan itong ating gobyerno. Okay, tuloy natin. Napakinggan si Tolpo.
Legally. But morally, no. Some people who say that. They have the legal right to do it, but it is not in accordance to good practice. Sisipakin nyo yung Masungi and then papasok ng Project Transform na kasama dyan ay itong dalawang mga grupo na sinuspindi ang permit ng DNR. At hindi man lang inibitahan yung mga taga-Masungi sa gathering na yan.
No, Italy is operating outside Masungi.
Kaya nga po,
The other one lang is operating inside Masungi, and their permit was cancelled.
yes, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, meron mo bang invited dyan ang taga-Masungi?
Taking antibiotics can upset the gut. Ursiflora gut
So,
restore aims to enhance natural resistance
wala
to
na ang
intestinal
ating-
infections with its 4 strain spores of
Pero
Walang taga-Masungi, hindi na-invite.
kung may invited daw doon taga-Masungi.
They were invited, ma'am, but they paid it.
Bukod sa hindi invited yung Masungi, wala rin pong representative na indigenous tribe leaders and watershed NGOs.
They said that this
They were not
is
as well invited. Ang imbitado lamang, yung dalawang personality na binanggit ko, na meron pong problema sa DNR, mismo DNR na nag-cancel na kanilang permit in 2022.
this is a transdisciplinary approach towards natural reserves conservation and resilience through multi-stakeholder collaboration. So, nag-invite po sila dun sa Masungin na taga...
Hala, I'm sorry, medyo nagpapalusot si Senator Villar. Bakit kinakambihan itong mga grupong ito na basta dito, bilib ako sa malasakit ni Senator Tulfo dito sa pag-conserve ng Geo Masungi Reserve. Kailangan mga kaibigan, makialam tayo dito. Wag nating pabayaan na masira ang Masungi Geo Reserve dahil one of a kind yan. Balitado na sa buong mundo dahil nga sa dami ng award at ngayon baka masisira pa. Sayang yung effort for the past many administrations. ERAP, administration, Arroyo, Aquino, Duterte. Maganda ang management ng Geo Reserve nito. Ngayon lang, baka masisira. So ano ba talaga? Lalabanan ba natin ang climate change? O hanggang salita lang? Paano na ang mga baha at bagyo kung hindi natin i-preserve ang kalikasan?